Hey Bernie, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier and I told you that I was going to be sending you over the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your home page. So it looks pretty good, but I can see that there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your page based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I actually did a word counter search and you guys have 252 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content, and we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through the site, and they are going to determine whether or not the content will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume and relevant keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword that I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Savannah GA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in 150 searches per month. So if you were to just convert a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar here, typically at the top, we will see Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to build some brand recognition, get your name out there, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can actually waste a lot of money on them, but if done correctly, they are a really good way to get things moving more quickly. And so underneath where the ads would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so this is a great place to be. It gets you right at the top of the first page. And this is becoming even more relevant now that more and more people are searching for things off of their phones. And in order to get in one of these top 3 spots right here, you want to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. These are all examples of highly used, high-powered, and highly trusted directories. You want to be on as many of them as possible, and definitely on more of them than these 3 businesses are right here. And so here, if you scroll down, we have reached our organic search results. And so this is definitely where the main focus should be. And that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these search results right here. So it's definitely going to be your best long-term return on investment. And so right here, we can take a look at the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so I actually did a word counter search on them as well, and they have 953 words. So although they have more words than you have at the moment, they technically don't even have enough for Google standards for the bare minimum, so it would be very easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. And so you want to get these backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So for instance, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really great way for you to get power to your site. So over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. This is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest using it. It is a bit pricey. It does cost me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. Like right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. I could see they have 509 backlinks from 103 different domains and are ranking for 1,000 keywords. So I can actually take a look and see which keywords they're ranking for. So we can go through and we can see which keywords have the most buyer's intent, which ones apply to your business. And right here, we can see how much volume they bring in. So, how many people are searching for that keyword each month. Here, we can see what position this website holds for this keyword on Google and how much traffic this keyword brings in for them. So, we can go through and pick which ones we want to incorporate into your content. And so, what I want to do next is the same way that I just looked through their backlinks, through their keywords, I can actually look through their backlinks as well. And so they have 509 keywords right now, it says. And so we definitely want to beat out that number, but we don't want to just get any backlinks. We want to get higher quality backlinks than they have. So we can go through and we can pick which ones they have that have a high DR domain rating, and we can snag those for your site. But we also need to get some more of our own because we want to beat them out. We only want to take the best of what they have, which is definitely doable, but also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so, right before I wrap this up, I have pulled up your site on Ahrefs as well. And so, right now, you guys have 3 backlinks from 2 different domains and are ranking for 6 organic keywords. So, really quickly, let's just take a look at what keywords those are. So, these are pretty decent keywords. They don't have a ton of volume though, but they are location specific, which is good. But we definitely want to expand on everything we talked about today, which is number 1, we want to add in more keyword rich content. Number 2, we want to get more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more relevant, high powered backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you're interested in getting to know more, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.